This is a 3/8 inch double line LegiLiner. It's a rolling stamp that uses refillable, smudge-resistant ink, and what it does is it lets you easily add writing supports to classroom worksheets in the moment. So say we're going to write about clover facts, and Johnny usually writes all over the paper. You can quickly adapt and modify his work by giving him some lines. Just like that. As a school-based OT, I work with a lot of kids that struggle with handwriting and organization, and this lets me, or the teacher, or the student add supports without a ruler or without remaking the whole sheet. The stamps don't always roll perfectly straight, and sometimes you get this little bit of extra ink on the paper, but I really think that they make up for this in how easy they are to use to modify any worksheet in the moment. These lines help kids see how big they need to make their letters and where their writing should go, and it's a simple way to individualize your classroom writing work. I highly recommend these, and I really think every classroom should have one. I would buy them again.